Looking to make money from home in 2023? Whether you're looking for a part-time side hustle or a full-time career, there are countless ways to make money online. Here are our top 10 tips to help you get started. 1. Sell your skills or services. Whether you're a writer, designer, virtual assistant, translator, or marketer, there is always someone out there looking for your expertise. Sites like Upwork make it easy to connect with clients and sell your services, while sites like Fiverr allow you to offer simple tasks like proofreading and graphic design for a small fee. 2. Take surveys or complete other simple tasks. There are dozens of sites that will pay you to complete simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, or answering questions. Many of these sites will even pay you for installing an app on your phone or browser that tracks your activity. 3. Use affiliate marketing to make money from home. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products online and earning a commission when someone purchases the product through your link. There are many reputable companies that offer affiliate programs, including Amazon and eBay, so there are plenty of opportunities to make money this way. 4. Sell digital goods or services online. If you have specialized knowledge or skills in a particular area, you can make money by selling digital information products like ebooks, instructional videos, or software online. Sites like Udemy make it easy to create and sell your own courses, while platforms like Etsy make it easy to sell digital goods like patterns and printables. 5. Take advantage of online marketplaces. Sites like eBay and Craigslist make it easy to find buyers for the products you want to sell, while sites like Etsy make it simple to sell your handmade creations or vintage items online. With just a little bit of research, you can easily make money from home in 2023 by selling through these marketplaces. 6. Get paid to shop online. If you're always shopping online, why not make money doing it? Sites like eBay offer cash back on purchases from hundreds of major retailers, making it easy to earn money just by clicking through their links before making your purchases. 7. Freelance your services or expertise online. Sites like Upwork make it easy to find freelancers in a wide variety of specialties, from content writing and web design to translation and data entry. Whether you're looking for part-time work or a full-time career, there are plenty of ways to make money online by freelancing your skills. 8. Invest your money wisely. If you want to make money from home in 2023, one of the best things you can do is invest your money wisely. There are many investment options available, so do some research and find one that suits your goals and risk tolerance level. 9. Sell physical products on sites like Amazon or Etsy. If you have a product you want to sell, sites like Amazon make it easy to set up your own storefront and start selling in just a few clicks. And with platforms like Etsy, it's simple to reach a wide audience of buyers looking for unique, handmade products. 10. Start an online business or blog. Whether you're an expert in a particular subject or simply have a passion for something, starting an online business or blog is one of the best ways to make money from home in 2023. With the right strategy and hard work, you can make your blog or business into a successful side hustle that brings in steady income month after month. Making money online can be a great way to supplement your income or make a full-time living. And with so many options available, there's definitely something for everyone. If you're looking for ways to make money from home in 2023, these 10 ideas should get you started. Do some research and find the option that best suits your skills and interests, and then get to work turning your side hustle into a successful business. Good luck!